Define the sketch. Select this top plane, means XY plane. Click on position sketch. Reverse this horizontal direction and click on swap. Click on OK. Select a profile. Create a sketch. Like this. Give the dimension to the sketch. 84. This vertical length 15. This length is 29.8. Vertical height is 19 by 2, 9.5. Select this bottom horizontal line. Convert this line as a construction line. Select the corner. Select this vertical line and this horizontal line. This radius is 2 mm. Turn off these constraints. Select the sketch or profile. And select the mirror. Select this horizontal line. Now turn on these constraints. Click on exit workbench. Select this front plane or YZ plane. Click on position sketch and OK. Select a circle and create the circle. Constrain the circle. Select this circle and this end point. Right click, coincidence. Then select the circle and this point. Right click, coincidence. This diameter is 84. Hide this sketch file. Select a profile. Create a sketch. Give the dimensions to the sketch. This length is 29.8. This length is 12 mm. Select this point and this vertical line. It's 26 mm. Select this horizontal line and this inclined line. This angle is 30 degree. 30. This horizontal line and this inclined line. Angle is 18. Select this horizontal axis. Length is 6 mm. Select this corner. Select this vertical and this inclined line. This radius is 2 mm. Select the trim. Trim this outer circle. Click on exit workbench. Unhide this sketch file. Define this part body. In the sketch based feature, select this combine option. Solid combine. Select this top sketch and this front sketch. And preview and click on OK. Define this part body. In the truss up feature, select this shell command. Select these top faces. Thickness is 1.8. Click on OK. Define the sketch. Hide this part body. Select this YZ plane, click on position sketch, click on OK. Select profile, create horizontal line and select this 3-point arc. Click here and join this and give the dimensions to the sketch. Its length is 20 mm. Its angle is 23. Radius is 5. Select this point and this vertical axis. It is 1.8. Select this horizontal axis and this horizontal line. It is 3 mm. Drag this arc to inside. Select this arc and this inclined line. Right click, click on tangency. Exit workbench. Unhide this part body. Define the part body. Select the sketch 8. Click on pocket. Select up to last. Click on more. In the second limit also up to last. And preview. Click on OK. Hide these planes. This is the front view. This is our top view. You can see the sectional front view. This is the sectional front view of this part. Thank you for watching. If you need this part, I will upload these documents in the GrabCAD. You can download from there.